Here we are with the Roland JV-2080 sound module. Show you real quick how to put this in performance mode to use as a multi-timbral instrument to use with your DAW software or either with a standalone sequencer. Pretty much all you have to do, we want to make sure we're in performance mode. So right now we're in patch mode. You come over here, hit the perform button, and this is the template where you always want to start at. PRA01 sequence template. It's blank. It lines up everything nice and neatly. Your parts are like your MIDI channel. So you see down here in the bottom corner, it'll say part 1, and then the receive channel. Basically, part 1 is MIDI channel 1, so on. If you want to go between your different parts, use the left, right arrow buttons, and the parts will change. Whatever part you're on, that's the MIDI channel you want to be on. If you want to pick a sound for that particular part, all you gotta do is hold down perform, hit the patch button, and now we're in performance patch mode where we're still on our part, but then you could go ahead and pick the sound that you want for this particular channel that we're on. You could just either turn the dial, or you could use the arrow buttons over to the right to the tone select area over here. So we're in preset. You could go to your user area, you go to preset, and then just select the sound that you want. If you want to pick, you can stay in this mode until you're ready to save it. Again, if you want to go, you pick a sound for part 1. If you want to go to part 2, just hit the left, right cursor arrow buttons. Let you go between all your different parts. You're still in performance patch mode because both lights are lit up, which means you can just still pick a sound for that particular part. So once we pick all our sounds that we want, for that particular part, and we want to save this performance, all you gotta do is get out of the patch performance mode by just hitting the perform button. And then here you'll see a little star. That means we're ready to save this. All you gotta do is hit the utility button right down here. Hit utility, and we want to write this, which is the first menu. Hit F1 write. Here shows you where the user location. By default you want to go 1. You hit execute under F6, and then if the memory protect is on, just turn the value wheel so it's off. Hit F6 again, hit OK, and then when you hit execute one more time to write that, it'll say complete, and now we've written our performance to user 01. Again, this is real quick going through on how to set it up to be used as a multi-timbral sound module for your Roland JV-2080. You have a good day now. Bye.